Hi guys, welcome to the first part of the multiplication section of this course. In this section, we're going to be looking at the structure of multiplication and how you can learn it in a way that's not only going to make sense, but will also support you in the next stages of your maths journey. Before you start, I recommend completing the first section of the addition skills, as we're going to actually be using a lot of those skills in this module. Now, as we move forward, I think it's a really good idea to just define what success is going to be and what we're trying to do here. Success is going to have a lot less to do with getting an answer quickly and a lot more to do with understanding the concept, how we got there, and why that answer makes sense. In this series, we're going to be looking at a whole bunch of different strategies that's going to give you the skills to multiply numbers reliably and with ease. It may be very different to what you've seen in the past, but my bet is if you can follow along with this multiplication skill module, your multiplication skills are going to go through the roof. With that said, let's get into it, and I'll see you in the next video.